What's up, guys? Mark here at Wired Kustoms Motorsports. We are cutting out a logo for a Canam speaker box that we are creating. We're going to be creating it and then resining it and protecting it with some bed liner material. And we're going to do a cool little part on the front of it. So we sprayed it black to begin with. We primered it, sprayed it black, and then we added some bed liner material. And now we're cutting out the logo, and then we'll get it on the box. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like button. I greatly appreciate you.